Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the drain pump clamp on your GE washer, you will need pliers. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the water supply. Unplug the power to the appliance. Remove the drain line from the wall. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valves. Tip the washer back and prop it up using a wooden block or chair. Slide down the clamp securing the hose to the drain pump. Detach the hose and remove the clamp. To install the new drain pump clamp, slide the clamp over the hose. Connect the hose to the drain pump, then slide the clamp to secure it. Set the washer upright. Insert the drain hose back into the wall drain. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines. Turn on the water supply. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.